Gani tokenyo wate. Kenota ni watumia. Toa kusisenia lamito. Na barabu batu aromo goko. Omo ngino ya gante bingo chane ne dagera. Ngoi kanda Mugirango to siseni chishika cha Mugirango. Toira bana ba Mugirango dagera ne chianga. Nakona kwani. Igongoro kuvuga mumanyi. Huxley, Stepeki. Igona chepe mungwe kerana rengi miaka kianda. Tindameteke usi. Because of time, tigankwa nege songo. So I want to take this opportunity to show my profound gratitude to Madam Donya Toto. This woman has been a pillar for this community for a very long time. And now that you have given her the right to help our people, support her. I am very passionate about our people here in Kenya. I have done some charity work, especially in Nyamira County where I'm from. But when Madam Donya Toto called me and told me that she was having this launch, I said that had to be a part of my program. Last week, my campaign team and I ran for state senate in the state of Minnesota. I ran for state senate, and I was very much interested about the leaders who are being elected in Kenya. And this is why. Because when good leaders are elected, that means we have Mandeleo. That's why I was so excited that Madam Donya Toto got elected, because now we can work together. So I'm excited to partner with Donya Toto, my sister, my big sister, and my brother Kaka, to advance our people, because the resources are out there. It's a matter of how they are being distributed.
Hello, everyone. God is good all the time. We're so grateful for the opportunity to be here today. It's nice to see all of these lovely faces, and we love you, and we're here to support you.